1000 LB Sisters, Tammy wows fans with jaw-dropping full-body new viral picture following plastic surgery. Tammy Slaton, the beloved star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again set the internet ablaze with her latest jaw-dropping transformation reveal. In a brand new full-body photo that's already going viral across social media platforms, Tammy showcases her post-plastic surgery figure in a way fans have never seen before. The image, which was reportedly taken during a casual day out with friends, has sparked a flood of admiration, astonishment, and emotional reactions from viewers who have been following her journey since the very beginning. The reality TV personality, who once faced dire health warnings and the real possibility of not surviving without drastic change, is now proudly displaying the results of years of dedication, discipline, and courage. Her new picture has fans calling her an inspiration, a fighter, and the ultimate comeback queen. This viral moment didn't come out of nowhere. Tammy's road to this milestone has been anything but easy. Over the past few years, she has undergone massive weight loss through a combination of bariatric surgery, lifestyle changes, and relentless determination. More recently, she underwent plastic surgery to remove excess skin, a procedure both physically demanding and emotionally taxing. Fans recall how Tammy spoke openly about her struggles with loose skin, describing how it affected her mobility, comfort, and confidence even after her dramatic weight loss. The surgery was a crucial step in allowing her to fully embrace her new life. Now, with this full body image making the rounds online, the transformation is clear for all to see. In the photo, Tammy stands tall and radiant, wearing a chic, form-fitting outfit that perfectly accentuates her new figure. Her smile beams with confidence, a stark contrast to the guarded expressions viewers once saw during her toughest days on the show. The backdrop of the picture appears to be a sunny outdoor setting, perhaps near a local park or event space, giving it an authentic and unfiltered feel that resonates deeply with fans. Social media has erupted with comments, reposts, and heartfelt messages. One fan wrote on Twitter, "I've been watching Tammy since day one, and this picture brought tears to my eyes. She's proof that it's never too late to take control of your life." Another follower on Instagram commented, "This is the most beautiful I've ever seen her look. She's glowing inside and out." The viral nature of the post has even caught the attention of celebrity bloggers and entertainment news outlets, with many dubbing this Tammy's most powerful comeback moment. Yet, sources close to Tammy reveal that she's been more motivated than ever to keep up with her health goals. She's reportedly sticking to a balanced diet, maintaining a manageable workout routine, and surrounding herself with a strong support system. Friends say she's enjoying newfound freedoms like traveling more, walking longer distances without aid, and engaging in activities she never thought possible just a few years ago. But this viral moment isn't just about looks, it's about everything Tammy's journey represents. For years, viewers watched her battle life-threatening obesity, severe health complications, and emotional struggles amplified by public scrutiny. Her critics were loud, but her supporters were louder, rallying behind her with every small victory. This photo, in many ways, is the culmination of those battles and a bold statement that Tammy has not only survived, she's thriving. Plastic surgery recovery is no small feat, and Tammy has been candid about the pain and patience it required. In a recent live stream, she addressed questions about the process, saying, "It wasn't easy, and it wasn't overnight. But it was worth every second. I finally feel like my outside matches how I feel inside." This authenticity has only deepened the bond between her and her fanbase. Interestingly, Tammy's transformation could also signal a new chapter for 1000 LB Sisters. While TLC has yet to confirm official filming updates, many fans are speculating that her story will continue to be a major focal point in upcoming episodes. There's even buzz that she could branch out into motivational speaking, health advocacy, or a book deal chronicling her journey from near death to a viral sensation. Entertainment insiders note that Tammy's ability to connect with viewers comes from her raw honesty and relatable struggles. Unlike some reality stars who keep a polished, unattainable image, Tammy has shown the messy, difficult, and very real parts of weight loss and personal change. That transparency is what makes this latest picture so impactful, it's not just a before and after, it's a visual testament. 2 years of resilience. Family members have also weighed in on the viral picture. Amy Slayton, Tammy's sister and co-star, shared the image on her own Instagram story with the caption, "So proud of my sis. Look at her shine." This public show of support has warmed the hearts of fans who have seen the sisters face ups and downs in their relationship over the years. Amanda Halterman, another fan favorite cast member, commented, "This is your moment, Tammy. You earned it." The conversation around Tammy's transformation has also extended beyond the fandom, sparking discussions about body positivity, weight loss journeys, and the realities of extreme makeovers. Many have pointed out that while Tammy's results are incredible, they came with years of hard work, multiple medical interventions, and professional guidance, reminding people not to compare their own journeys to anyone else's highlight reel. Yet, Tammy's viral photo remains a beacon of hope for countless viewers who see themselves in her story. Whether they're battling obesity, struggling with self-image, or facing other personal challenges, Tammy's success is a reminder that change is possible, no matter how impossible it may seem at he start. As for Tammy, insiders say she's enjoying this new wave of attention but staying focused on her health. She's been spotted spending time with friends, trying new hobbies, and even exploring fashion in ways she never could before. Her confidence is palpable, and it's clear she's not letting the momentum slow down anytime soon. This viral picture may be just one snapshot in Tammy Slayton's life, but it represents so much more. It's a visual symbol of survival, transformation, and triumph over adversity. For those who have followed her from the very beginning, it's not just about the weight she's lost, it's about the life she's gained. Fans will undoubtedly be watching closely to see what Tammy does next, and if history is any indication, she's far from done surprising the world. In the end, Tammy's journey proves that the most powerful transformations are not just physical, they're emotional, mental, and deeply personal. And with each new chapter, each new picture, and each new victory, Tammy continues to inspire millions, one viral moment at a time. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.